Good evening, guys. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
All right. So today I will be explaining you the project requirement under your team, and you will be developing this particular project within your team. And I will be explaining each and everything. And if any doubt is there in your mind, you can just directly ask them after I complete my explanation. All right. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
yeah. So in this particular application, uh, what exactly you need to do is this particular PDF file. You all have got this PDF or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, got it.
So just read it carefully and go with the objectives, and the deadlines are also mentioned, like each and every week. What are the things that we will be completing, and how we will be accomplishing this particular project within the time span. All right. And for the 1 month, guys, there is the means requirement that need to be completed for the 1 month, guys. That is also written over there. For the 2 month, guys, that is also written over there. And for the 3 month, guys, that is also written over there. So yeah, so please stick to the rules and also stick to the requirement, and start it doing. Okay. So what exactly you need to do is, like, in this platform is to be designed to help the users to visualize and analyze the data effortlessly. Okay. Like, user can either upload an Excel file over here in your application, or they can manually give input data over there for the x-axis, for the y-axis. Okay. And your system will be generating interactive 2D or 3D graph based on the data that had been given by the user. Okay. And additional to that, it will be AI driven analytics will extract insights or the trends or the recommendation that will provide a very deeper understanding of the data sets. Got it. So that is particularly the means thing that you need to implement in your application. Okay. So these are the targeted audiences that are there, like the data analysts, of the business user, researchers, students, anyone. Okay. And tech stack is very clear. What are the things that you need to use for the front end? React, Redux, Toolkit, Tailwind, Chart 3. And for the backend, Node, Express, Mongo. For the database, Mongo is there. Authentication, you can use Zeroth or JWT. For the real time, you need to use the WebSockets also. For the AI module integration, you need to use the Flask or the Fast API for AI insights. Okay. And for the deployment, it is optional. You can either deploy it to Versal or Heroku is there. AWS is paid. And for the backend, MongoDB is free. MongoDB Atlas, you can host your database over there. Okay. So I will just explain you what you need to do. I will not go in this part, like this. This will be done by you only. Like, what are the things and all the entire relationship diagram. ERD is there. Endpoint is also there, and also the what you need to do exactly, and how many roles will be there. Okay. And what are the security measures that you need to uh, give it in your application, and the deployment plan. Okay. So I will just make you understand about the features functionality that are there. Okay. So first, for the user, it is written user authentication, means you need to have a login and a sign up page over there. You can power it up by JWT or Zeroth, based on your choice. And it will be role based access. There will be two roles, user and admin. And after that, for the data handling, as you will be, as your application will be handling a lot of data, like this is a data analytics application only. So that's why you need to develop a Excel file upload. Means there will be an upload thing in which the user can upload their Excel file, and after that the analytics and that all things will be done by the backend, and the result will be thrown out to the front end. Okay, so how the data will be given? So data will be given through Excel file, and for that Malta, these all things you can use. The trainer will be training on you on that. And for the manual data entry, that is very easy. You will be giving the user ability to give the data as per the graph to be generated, and after they will be manually updating the data in your system, then the system will be generating the graph as per the data given. Got it? And for storing that all data in that particular login id, you need to use the mongodb. Okay, there for each login how many data they have given, that will be that will be stored. Okay, how many manual thing, whatever the manual data that will be there, no, that you will be storing. Or if the user is uploading the Excel file, so your system will be analyzing that Excel file, and after that get the data from the Excel file only. So you need to save that data and the graph also. Means if the user want to get the old receipt or the old analytics also, they can get it from your system, from their login. Okay, they can log in into your system and get the data. So these all functionalities for the data handling, you need to give it inside your application. And for the graph visualization, like this is the main part for that this app is to be built. So for the 2D graphs, these are the options that you can give there, like line, bar, pie, and you can do it with the chart.js and d3.js that you can implement over there. And for 3D, you can use this thing, it's exactly written over there. And for dynamic graph, that all things like for the real time changes on the data updates, like see, you can get an example, get a means demo if you open the Canva application. Okay, so Canva is free for all, you can just type it there as graph. Okay, there you will be getting an idea like what exactly what thing you need to develop. Okay, so I will try to showcase that over here if possible. One second. Just wait for a while. I'm just sharing my screen. See, I have shared my canvas screen. So in this, you can see what you need to do. There is a graph. Okay, it is already being plotted because it is having a data. Okay, so here if I expand it, see, like this, you will be having a table in your application in which people can feed their data manually. Okay, and if I change this data as like, let's say, 0, okay, so graph will be automatically changing. Got it? And from here you can also choose the type of graph what you want: bar, chart, stacked, and that all things. Okay, and under that, these all things you don't need to change it. Okay, this thing you can change, like what will be the x-axis, what will be the y-axis. First of all, go with the 2D only, don't go for the 3D. After you complete your 2D, then you can switch on to 3D. Got it? So these are the things that are there. And for manual uploading, you can just go on like this. Like, here is an add data button. So when we click on this, there is an option of edit. You can just go down and here add data, and from here we can upload the XLSX or CSV or TSV or Excel file over here. Okay, so that it will catch out all the data from there and make a x-axis, y-axis, and that all things, and it will just preparing a graph for that particular data. So this is the complete application. Means this application only you are required to build. You can just go on to Canva and you can explore this thing, how it is working. Okay, this module only. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that all things you need to develop. This was the means main thing that exactly you need to develop. Okay, later on the other things that are there, like this one second, this one, AI powered insights. This is completely optional for you all guys. Okay, when you complete these all things, no, after that, after then, if you have time, you can work on this. Okay, till then, no need to work on this thing. You need to just work on this thing by how to generate the graph as per the data given by the user. If it is Excel, then also it should be fine. If it is Excel SV, then also it should be fine. And if they want to put the data manually, then also it must be fine. And it should be real time updating, as I have just shown you as an example. Okay, that you need to do. And after that, you need to have an admin panel also. So admin panel will be for the admin only. There he can see like how many users are there. Okay, how many users are there and what are the data they are putting up there. Okay, means the data you will be saving on under that each and every logins, that data only you need to showcase in admin panel in a tabular format, in a structured format, like, yeah, how many users are using your application and they are using how much data, means how much data they are putting up and getting benefited. So like that you can, and you can also get the analytics of your application, like how much it users are using and getting benefited with your application. Okay, and also you can implement the graph on the on that place also, like if for the day one there was 15 users, after 1 week there is 150 users for your application, and after 3 weeks you are having 1,000 users. So like this you are growing, so your application is growing. So that analytics also you can get it inside the admin panel that you need to implement. Okay, so this was only the this is the only requirement that is there. Okay, and you have been given the structure, like how you will be doing it for the front end React, Redux, that all thing. For the back end, these are Node.js and Express you will be using. Database, MongoDB, Mongoose. For the AI service, if you that's optional, but if you want to implement, that will be very best. And for that you will be using the AI generated insights for this Python and Fast API for that. And for the real time updates, like I have shown in on that Canva example, Like whenever I am changing the data manually from the dashboard, it is changing instantly. So for that, Socket.io you will be using. Okay, and this is the ERD. You can go through it. Like this file is already being shared to you, and this is the API endpoints that you need to generate, and these are the user stories. Means what exactly, which what is the problem you are solving. Got it? Yeah. So any doubt till now? Any doubt is there?
Sir, this is
Yeah, please.
Akash. Actually,
Yeah, please.
whatever the Excel file we are uploading, they don't have specific data now. Like whatever they are uploading, we should create
Yeah,
blocks from.
yeah. You need to have a means standard format. Like on that only you will be accepting the data. Means you will be giving a short instruction over there while the user will be uploading on your application, as the data should be like this. Okay, like x-axis should be like this, y-axis should be like this, naming should be like this in here. Okay, that all information you need to input there. Got it? Means while the user will be uploading, they will be clicking onto that upload button, there will be a model popping up. Okay, and while that model is popping up, in that model you can give the instruction and give okay, and after that they will be putting up the Excel, and after that system will analyze it. Like if the Excel is fine, then it will be giving the result. If it is not fine, then it will be giving an error message or a prompt over there, like your Excel file data doesn't meet our policies or doesn't meet our required type or something like that. Okay, and please retry, and after that this will be the flow for that problem.
Okay. And what happen if Excel is containing unstructured data like null values or empty values? Then
For the null
so
values, zero or any null values or empty values, just give a default space for that. Like it is null, so consider it as zero.
okay. Thank
Okay, if it is null,
thank you.
consider it as zero. Yeah, this is the only one project that you need to do. For the first month, requirement is different. For the second month, requirement is different. Means this is the only project. It is being divided into three parts. Okay, first month guys will be doing that much part that they are required to do. Okay, after that, the 2 month guys will be carrying out, and the second month when it will be completed, that will you will be required to give the till the second month requirement, and third month is the last, the final requirement. Okay, and each and every week you will be having your project review and doubt clearing on Sunday. Okay, please use that day, and all the other 5 days you will be having for development of your project, and that all everything. Okay, and you will be having 3 sessions, and including that the means this project reviews and the doubt clearing session. Also, in mid of this whole week, you will be having 1 or 2 session. In that session, we will be solving your doubts only. Okay, so please be active on the project. Any other doubt, guys? Yeah, for extending the time duration of your internship, you can just directly reach out to your manager, and they will be giving you the instruction for that. Yeah, don't worry about anything. If you are facing any of the difficulty, you all have the access for that doubt. server over there in Discord. You all are having that. You can directly post your doubts over there and it will be resolved anytime. Okay. And other than that, we will be having one or two means random sessions within the week, like today only. Okay. In that, you can just ask your doubt and anything related to the process. If you are having any type of doubt, okay, you can ask it out here. That's completely fine. And it's your platform. Use it and grow. And please understand a thing, this particular requirement is not a very casual. This is the industry's actual requirement on which you are working. Okay, so take it seriously.
Okay.
Okay, then any other doubt is there?
No, sir.
All right then. Thank you. Please join out to the next sessions, and if you are having any of the doubt, just use the servers over there that have been shared, and also you have the connection with the with your uh, manager also, and also with your dedicated trainers. Okay, please get it done. Means whatever the requirement, whatever the doubt, if you are having, get it resolved. Okay, don't means stay idle with the doubt. Okay, thank you. You all can leave. Okay, Discord link. Okay, I'm just sending that.
I have
Thank you.
And
not received this PDF.
okay, so you haven't received. So do a thing. Just ping your manager as you need, as like your domain, and after that, give the project details PDF. Okay, they will be sending directly to you. Okay, then I'm giving the Discord link, and after that, we'll be turning off the session.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much.